Hey guys, welcome to Ground Zero. It's your boy Kenny. I just received a phone call from my best friend B telling me his grandson was in town for the weekend. So in my Travel to Florida series, we're going to be loading up and heading to Spyder MX down in Wildwood, Florida to spend a day at the indoor pit bike arena. I can't wait to get this party started. Alright, Mikey, you ready to go hit the track?
Yes.
Alright, let's go. This is going to be fun. Whenever you are. Ran into a few problems out there on the track. Float bowl sticking. We'll take care of this, get back out there. Found some garbage down in my float bowl. Probably making my needle valve stick. Give this a whirl. Like coming back. Alright guys, after a day of riding down at Spyder MX at the indoor pit bike arena on my Travel Florida series on a 0 to 5 star rating, I give Spyder MX a 5 star. Every time I've ever been there, the tracks are groomed, it's a great atmosphere, the owner is super cool and down to earth to talk to. I know if you guys get to hang out there enough, you'll run into some of the big names out on the track, like the Deegans or Dean Wilson and people like that. Also, you guys can see I'm repping a Spyder MX t-shirt. If you guys ever get to go to a track and they carry merchandise, make sure you pick some of that up. It really does help the track and helps them upkeep on the place, and definitely keeps a nice place for us to continue to go riding. And I'm sorry I didn't get to make it out on the main track. I'll have to backtrack another video at a later date so I can show you guys that. But if you guys are really liking my videos, go down below, hit like and subscribe. And until next time, stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.